How to view your YouTube comment history. First thing first, you have to make sure that your application YouTube is up to date. Once you have the latest version, open the app. Make sure you are logged in to a specific account. Once you are in this home page, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then click on this gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. It will open up the settings for you. Now proceed to manage all history. Wait for a while for it to load. It will land you on this page. Move into interactions at the top right corner and then head over to comments and replies. It will lead you to this page. So in this page, it will show you all the list of the comments that you have made on YouTube. Well, you can scroll down and you'll get to see more. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can view your YouTube comment history. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.